Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the exact YouTube account you will clear. This prevents accidental deletions. Once signed in, back up anything you might need. Export video files, download descriptions, and save captions to a local or cloud folder. Make sure you confirm channel ownership in YouTube Studio so you have full controls. Once done, check Google Storage and linked Google Photos or Drive to identify where space is being used, because removing duplicates later saves time. You will now remove redundant content methodically. In YouTube Studio, filter videos by views, upload date, or specific keywords to surface duplicates and tests, then select in batches to delete. Make sure to remove large, old uploads and low-performing shorts that still consume space. After deleting, go to Trash and empty it. Deletions only reclaim quota once trash is cleared. Also review connected apps and revoke permissions that auto-upload, because stopping future clutter is part of the process. You finish by verifying the reclaimed space across YouTube Studio and your Google account storage summary, because deletions should reflect there. If you need content back, restore selectively from your backups and consider compressing files or converting to more efficient codecs before re-uploading. If space doesn't appear freed, check linked Google Photos and Drive and inspect shared ownership or transfer settings that may retain files. If problems persist, try signing out, clearing cache, and rechecking. That often forces an updated quota sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.